when you're preparing your holiday meal this year, it's important to remember to defrost and to prepare your meats properly, to separate meats from cross-contaminating each other, use different cutting boards for different types of meat, etc. To remember to clean your surfaces, your countertops with a bleach solution. To also cook all your meats to the right temperature. Poultry should be cooked to 165 degrees. Your steaks, pork steaks, ham should be cooked to 155, 145 degrees. You should use a thermometer that's been calibrated. And you should keep all your meat that have been cooked either hot or in a cold environment and not out in the open for any longer than 2 hours. A lot of people like to make homemade eggnog. There's a lot of really good recipes out there. It's best to use pasteurized egg product when you make your eggnog, and those are very available in grocery stores. That eggnog shouldn't be made with eggs that are not pasteurized or are uncooked. Reason for that is salmonella, which is a very common infection that occurs from bacteria that live in eggs. You find non-pasteurized apple cider in rural areas, etc. But we recommend that you drink only pasteurized apple cider, and most apple cider found in stores is pasteurized.